Hello again, teachers. This time I'm going to show you how to post your meeting in Google Classroom and on Quick Schools so that students can find it easily. So this is where we ended our last video at copying the invitation. So I select copy, then close. Now proceed to your address bar, google.com. Now I have different Gmail accounts, so I'm going to select the account I will be using for my classes. Then I select the Google Classroom icon. And these are my classes. Now the class I will be posting for is 5A3 English. So I select 5A3. And this is my stream page. Here is where I share announcements. So share something with your class, select. Now I'm going to use Ctrl+V and paste. And now we see there's a whole lot of information here for the meeting. But students do not need all of this information because they will not be joining, most of them will not be joining with telephones or mobile phones. So we're going to take out all the unnecessary information so that this post isn't too lengthy. Now we have all of the information, the pertinent details for our meeting. So I'm going to type them a little message. Welcome back, class of 2021. So there is my welcoming note to my students and the information for their Zoom classes for just about another month or so. And before I post this, I will now highlight and copy. Control C to copy. And then I will now select post. If I want to schedule this post to appear at a specific time, I must click the tab first and then schedule, and then it will ask you for the time you wish to post it, and then you schedule it. If not, like I do this morning, I'd like to just post it. So there it is, it's posting. And ta-da, you have all of the information you need for the meetings for the next 7 classes. Now to post on Quick Schools, I will now go to the address bar, enter SACA, my Quick Schools link will come up, log in. Now I found it always easier to post on class discussions because it allows me to select the class immediately and also email both parents and students without having to typing anything extra. So I have 5A3, and because we're using, now I have to do it twice because the classes have been divided on Quick Schools. So right now I'm posting for 5A3A, and I will now use Control+V, and the same information that I posted on Google Classroom is also here. So in my message, I indicated that we will be continuing with our old Google Classroom. So students know they should not be expecting a new code because we use Google Classroom the same last academic year, and now we will be continuing because they are now transitioning to their final year. So I stated that in my message. Now I select post to parents, post to students, and here goes post. Now there's my post will appear below with the information for my class. Now I have to select 5A3B, and I do the same, Control+V, post to parents, post to students. Now both parents and students are aware, and because all of the dates are listed there, I do not need to repost this again. They can always go back to classroom discussion or the Google Classroom page to find the details for the other classes. So this brings me to the end of another video. I hope it is helpful to you, and please feel free to replay it several times until you get the hang of things. You can also send me information concerning what you'd like me to post on. Have a great day.